Alright guys, so we're in the Hoonigan Burnyard, and oh my gosh, this Porsche is insane. I've seen pictures of it online, and seeing it in person is crazy. That front splitter, the wide body, like everything about this is just like insane. Like, look at this thing, it's just crazy. But wow, like that front splitter, the way it sticks out so far, and you got that crazy wide body on that. This is like one of the craziest cars ever. And then also, rest in peace, Ken Block. Man, this thing is absolutely insane. That wing is enormous. But also you got the exhaust coming out right there, which looks really cool. What do you think that exhaust looks cool? We have the Hoonicorn over here looking absolutely insane. They're doing drifting and stuff over there and burnouts. It's too crazy, I can't really film that, but man, seeing this in person is crazy. But also look at this exhaust.
That is a lot of rubber.
That is amazing. Obviously, like the exhaust of the turbo sticking out of the hood. Man, this is crazy. Like in person, it's like, you see it in videos, you see it in pictures, but it never can like you can't really like describe what it actually looks like. But this is crazy.
We've got some Burnyard veterans out there who've been out here in previous years.
Man, look at that. Ken Block was definitely one of a kind, and his ideas are insane. And seeing them like actually brought to life is just unreal. Man.